Hi there, thanks for clicking. This video is about solving a problem with mag fields that you might not have been aware existed. Some older homes use copper water pipes. Strong AC magnetic fields can be generated from them. This is caused by induced electrical currents from service power lines in combination with improper earth grounding from your local utility providers at your house or other houses in your area. In this example, Bruce measured strong AC magnetic fields throughout the house in the 3 to 5 milligauss range, and they climbed much higher near any of the copper plumbing pipes. Here he shows the AC current and the resulting high magnetic field on the main water line coming into the house. The solution is to replace a short section of the main water pipe with a piece of PEX pipe. This insulates the pipes in the house from the electrical currents flowing through your water service connection. If you live in a house with copper water pipes, it's worth taking the time to measure for unsafe AC magnetic fields, as they can cause biological harm, much like microwave radiation. Hope you found that informative. Don't forget to subscribe and follow us on Instagram and SoundCloud.